him. Got him. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're excited. I hope you guys all had a Merry Christmas. And this won't be up before New Year, so a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today, I got a new shack. First things first, I got to pull over Fraybill Aegis 2250. What? Oh, we got a flag. You jigged up another one? Huh? Did you jig up another one?
It didn't spin, it like watched it pop.
It's spinning, dude. You just seen it. Could be the sucker, I guess, but... When'd you get that tip up? The thing looks sweet. You call it like a dog bone or something, right? I do have to say, this camera's nice.
Ready to try it?
Yeah. Get him?
I don't think so. I think it's a sucker. Yeah, it's just the sucker.
Like I was saying before, Dylan got a flag. We are out here in a new shack today. We're fishing. We're gonna hopefully can get some walleye. Dylan just had a flag. He already has caught 2 walleye so far. And so yeah, I'm hoping we can get some fish. Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Can't remember if I already said that or not, but we're out here walleye fishing. We're starting off with a number 7 metallic blue and chrome. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Mark on me. Come on, dude. Got him. Got him. We got a fish, folks. You guys can see. Oh my gosh, that thing is a donkey walleye right there. That is the biggest walleye of the year. Biggest walleye of the year. Oh. First walleye of the year. This thing is only like a few inches. This thing is only a few inches long. No wonder why he wouldn't hit it before. This thing is literally bait size. Like sucker minnows, we use sucker minnows that big. Perfect little walleye. We're gonna let him go. Beautiful little fish. And he's kind of just sitting there and he goes back down. Well guys, we got the first flag of the day. It's like 99% chance it's a wind trip. But we're gonna see. Yeah, it's just a wind trip. Well, guys, doing a little bit of an update. We have not caught a fish in hours. And it's getting close to the end here, so fish are going to start moving up on this reef that we are at. We're like on a reef. And fish are going to start moving up onto this reef, so we're going to start jigging harder now. More, but hoping I can get some fish, because we really haven't caught much. Dylan ended up catching a perch a few minutes ago. I've actually been messing with my propane tank. I have no heat in here because I absolutely hate my Mr. Buddy heater. I've had it for 2 years and it's already shot. I'm so mad about that. But it is what it is. I'm going to have to go pick up a new one day. Anyway, let's try to just get some fish. Maybe we can catch something. Maybe we can't. We're going to try, though. Like I said, I forgot to tell you guys, we moved. We're at a new spot now. Such an idiot. Yes, we moved. I'm really hoping. I'll see you guys if we get a mark or something. Alright guys, we are in the shack right now. I'm so cold, I literally can barely feel my fingers. My heater kicked out, I'm bringing that thing to the junk. And my tank kicked out on me too, it won't shoot any gas out of it, so we're gonna exchange that tank for a new one. It's like, you can exchange it and then pay $15 for it to be filled, whatever. We're gonna do all that, and then, but anyway, so, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If not, that's your problem. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. Please like this video. Please subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you. I think there might be a fish on there, folks. Got him. This thing's heavy. Holy cow. He pulled a ton. It's probably not that big, he just pulled a lot of line. I'm gonna go slow with him because you never know. It could be a 40-incher. Could be a 40, could be a 20, you know. Yeah, big. It might be big, dude. It was reaping. It's probably, holy cow, yeah, he pulled a ton of line. It's not that big. This fish really isn't big. Dude, he pulled so much. I don't think it's that big. Well, it feels like it is. Holy cow. Yeah, this thing's heavy. Oh, dude, he's reaping. Reaping. Big fish. Big fish, dude. Big fish, dude. Did you see that? When I pulled, I let off so it could run.
Don't let it slack.
It's coming up.
Feel the tension. It ain't that bad. Oh, Could be.
Get ready. They sure felt big.
Get that line out of the fucking line.
Let her run.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Yeah, good one. Come on, give it some good.
I did.
Come on, take fucking.
It's probably one of my biggest pike.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's that big?
It's, dude,
Haven't you got a 40-incher on Little Bay?
I never got a 40-incher on Little Bay.
Ooh, I just saw it back. Yeah, that's
Did
a
you?
nice one.
I can't
Is
fucking
it?
see.
Ooh,
What the Ooh.
he reaped.
Tail was in the fucking hole.
Yeah, that's a big one.
He's reaping.
On 10-pound mono.
Yeah.
You guys sure that's not a fish over there?
The camera rolling?
Yeah. Dylan's right away.
Yeah, we're gonna wait. It wasn't spending at all.
Seems like a nice fish.
It could be. Big rainbow.
Out of my hole, please. Somebody. What?
You gotta
Look,
put
go.
a little bit of tension
I am,
on it. You
dude.
can't just have them free line.
Reap that bad boy in. You got it.
Yeah, 10-pound mono. Cut her line off.
I still am not seeing it.
I seen the back.
This is
definitely
This is
big
definitely good fish. Someone should get that because there's probably a fish on
one.
there.
You get it?
Yeah.
Make sure that the camera's head's pointed at that. I make sure.
I can't see it.
I know, dude. I seen its head. That was it. Okay, we're at the mono.
I know. It ain't that big at all.
That's one of my bigger ones.
No.
One, I've never caught me a pike though. Let's see. Where? Oh yeah, it does too. Really? Dude, that's a
Or
lot.
maybe not. It kind of looks like it, yeah.
Dude, he reaped. Look how much he took. Look how much line he took. It's a disaster. Here, you film me. He reaped for something.
Got one?
I knew there was.
Huh?
Little or what?
Come on, show the picture.
Not a bad little northern right there.
24.
24, 25.
Nice.
Not bad pike at all. It's a little release on him. There he goes.
Now go get the.
Little one, eh?
I
That's a
hate
tiny-
when these dumb bastards fucking close the
Or R.I.P. Got your sucker minnow back too.
Yeah, he's still alive.
Little
Okay.
dink.